All right, we have to determine the direction of the magnetic force in this video here. All right, so what do? This is it. This is how we place. Remember, we are using our right hand. So let me tell you what this right hand represents. You see this thumb, it represents the motion or the force. Altogether, just remember that what this one represents the magnetic force, and you see my palm represent the magnetic field. Why this my fingers here is pointing towards the velocity, towards what the direction of the moving charge. I'll come back again. This is my magnetic force. This is my what magnetic field, and this one points in the direction of the what velocity. Now let's look at this first one. For example, look at this first one. Check it out. The magnetic field is going to the what? Is moving to the right. You can see the magnetic field moving to the right. Then what happened again? This one, the velocity is going upward. So it means that what? No matter how you place your hand, this velocity must point what? Must point upward. Altogether, it must point what? Upward. And look at it upward. And check it out. My magnetic field is going to the right. It means that what your palm, which represent the magnetic field, have to what? Have to move to the what? To the right. You look at it. If I place it like this, check it out. My palm is facing the left, which is wrong, but it have to what? To face the right because of this direction. So my palm will go this way. Altogether, it will what? It will go this way. So check it out. Look at the velocity. You can see the magnetic field to the right. So can you tell me what direction of my force? My force is going what? Into this what? Into this paper. So I will say what? My force F is going what? Into the paper. So I will use, you see, if you see this word cross, this cross shows that what is going what? Into the what? Into the paper. So that direction of the what? Magnetic force. So that is it. So for the next one, looking at it, my magnetic field here is going upward and the velocity is to the right. So it means that no matter how you place your palm, you see, this your palm for magnetic field must face what? Upward, and this is it. Have you seen it? Must face what? Upward, and this is it. This is it. And look at it. This one, the direction is going to the right. That is, the velocity is going to the right, and I'll place it this way. So can you tell me what is now the direction of my magnetic force? You can see what is the direction of my what? Magnetic force. You can see that what is going upward. But remember the fact I taught us, which is that what? When you are dealing with what? A negative what? Charge, the direction will be opposite in direction to this what? To this thumb. So it means that assuming this is a positive charge, we have the same direction as the thumb. But this is a what? This is a negative charge. The direction have to be what? Opposite. Check it out. This is my magnetic field, and this is the what? The direction of the what? Of this negative charge. Are we together? So because this is a negative charge, the direction of the what? Of the magnetic force on this negative charge will be what? Opposite in direction to the one of this positive charge. It means that what? Instead of me to say the magnetic force is coming out of the paper, I'll say it's going what? Into the paper. So I'll say what? F is going what? Into the what? Paper. And that's cross into the paper. So look at the next one. Now this is the next one here. Anywhere you see this cross, know that what is going in. Now it means that what my magnetic field here is going what? In. So my palm have to face what? Have to face this paper. That is, this palm will go into this paper. Okay? Now it's going into this paper like this. And if you observe again, the next thing is that the velocity is going to the right. It means that what? This your finger must point to the right, and magnetic field is going inside. So like this, like this. So what direction of my magnetic force is going what? Northward, or to the top of the page. So it's going what? Northward, or to the what? To the top of the page. And that is it. And because this is a positive charge, you have the same direction as the thumb. But assuming this is a negative charge, instead of me saying top of the page, I will reverse it and say what? Bottom of the page. Now the last one, look at it. This is a negative charge. And whenever you see dots, it means that what is coming out. If you see cross, it means it's going in. Now, looking at this one now, for example, check it out. My magnetic field is going where? Outside. So it must face outside like this. Outside like this. Next is that this, my charge is moving what? Downward. So the velocity is what? Downward. So I'll face my hand down like this. Have you seen it? I'll face my hand down like this. And you can see, so facing my hand down like this, you observe that what? My force is going to the left. But because this is a negative charge, you are going to reverse the direction of your what? Of your force. So if you are me saying it's going to the what? To the, sorry, instead of me to say it's going to the left, because it is a negative charge, I will now reverse it and say it's going to the right. Okay, so that is it. So again, the dot means that what? The magnetic field is coming what? Outward. So this one will face outward. The velocity is coming down. You have to face around this way. Then you observe that what? Your thumb is going to the what? Is going to the left. But because this is a negative charge, you are going to reverse it back. Instead of you to say left, you say it's going to the what? Right. Because when we want to determine the direction of the negative charge, remember, it's always in opposite direction to the direction of the what? Positive charge. So that is it.